Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to cover what to do if you have an ABS light on with the brake light. So the first thing you want to do is make sure to check for codes. So you get yourself a scanner. If you don't have one, you can always go to an AutoZone or a local parts store, and a lot of times they'll actually scan the code for free. But if you're able to get your hands on one, first thing you want to do is definitely check the code to see what the problem is. I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up. You're going to locate the OBD2 connector, which is usually under the driver's side on most vehicles. Sometimes they're located in different areas, but you can search information on your vehicle to see where the location of yours is. So you can see right here, the code I have is a C0215, which is a rear wheel speed sensor, left-hand circuit. So that tells me left side on the driver's side on the rear wheel. So we're gonna go ahead and actually check the sensor on that wheel, and I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So the first thing you'll need to do is actually remove the wheel so you can get to the sensor. The sensor itself is located right here on the hub bearing, and it's held in usually with a 10mm bolt. So you just go ahead and remove the 10mm bolt, put it aside, and then you can pull your sensor out. Be careful when you're pulling it out because you don't want it to get snagged on anything and damage it. So you can see right there, that's the sensor. If you pull the sensor and you find something on the tip of it, like metal shavings or something like that, first thing I would do is try to clean it off, reinstall it, and then see if it fixed the problem before replacing the sensor. Also, another thing you should check too is the cable on here. You want to make sure there's no cuts on there because that'll also cause the issue, and it may not be the sensor itself. If there's nothing on there and the sensor looks okay, I would still go ahead and replace it just to be sure. They're fairly cheap. You can find them online for about $10 to $15, and a lot of times that actually just solves a problem. If that didn't solve the problem, then you may have an issue with the tone ring, which is actually what the sensor picks up on the wheel bearing itself over here. But more than likely, it's just the sensor that would need to be replaced, which is a quick, easy fix. That sensor doesn't fix your issue, you might actually have an issue with the hub assembly right here. This holds the tone ring. This is actually like a magnet. When it spins around, the sensor actually picks it up. You can see on mine right here, it's actually damaged. It got chewed up somehow, so this is going to need to be replaced. I'll cover how to replace these in another video, but I just wanted to point this out. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.